Today I'll be showing you how to conveniently hear PDF files read out aloud in Acrobat Reader. So first things first, we have to launch Acrobat Reader. Open it. Now you can choose any PDF you want the Acrobat Reader to read out aloud. Files that you want the application to read aloud. So I'm going to use the sample PDF file as an example. So here we are. Normally, read out aloud is deactivated by default. We will go from the top left menu and click View, then we will go to Read Out Aloud. So by default Read Aloud is deactivated, so you have to activate it. Now we are going to activate Read Out Aloud. So go back to View. Then go to Read Out Aloud. So in this place you have two options. If you want to read just a page, the option is there. But if you want to read the entire document, the option is there. So let's choose to read one page. Here are 3 tips for a simpler way to work. 01 Edit and e-sign PDFs all in one tool. Simplify the way you work and communicate through documents. Do it all, even collect e-signatures with just one tool. Edit anything. Convert digital or paper docs to editable, searchable PDFs. Fill and e-sign digitally. Fill out and sign any document. Collect e-signatures quickly. Gather e-signatures and forms from anyone. No separate e-sign tool needed. Acrobat Pro subscribers can also use enhanced e-signature features to create web forms, add custom branding, send for e-signatures in bulk. So if we want to stop it, go back to View Read Aloud and select Stop. So if we want to deactivate it, go back to View and deactivate your Read Out Aloud. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Happy viewing.